Hello, so let me summarize. First of all, many congratulations to you all as you are able to completed all the sections. I hope you have enjoyed a lot learning with me and also many things I was able to clear to you to for the understanding. Also, you have learned something new in this whole section. So let me summarize what we did from the scratch and how this will help us. This helped us to learn it. So first of all, we have understand about different tabs like home, insert, modeling. What are the different tabs are available? Under the home tabs, we were imported the data with the help of CSV file. Then also we have imported the data from the Wikipedia. Also XLSX files we have loaded. Once the data has been loaded, we worked around to cleaning the data by clicking the transform data. So the we understand about the table queries where we have transformed our data in such a way that it looks very good and easy to understand. So this thing we have covered it. After that, once the data has been cleaned, we go under the model view where we have understand about the star schema, snowflake schema. We have created the relationship between the two tables and in to create the interlinking so that our data can be filtered it like one to many, many to one to one and all. So these things we have applied under the model tab, the table tab we have understand. Also we created some calculated columns here, and also we have created some measures like this symbol. So I hope this is also clear to you. And once the data backend work has been done, we directly jump to the report view where we have generated this interactive report where by understanding about the sales like all the data based on the data available, we have created column chart, then bar chart, then line chart, pie chart, donut chart. This we have created. Also we have added some text with the some like square box. Also we have added some card, KPI, gauges. Also we have added external visual tools from their available store. Also we have added table. We have applied some formatting on the table and all the visuals. Also we have added some metrics which is like a pivot table type in similar to Excel. And after that we have added some slicers to slice our data to understand it easily. So this thing we have created. After that we have also created some drill through exam. We have taken drill through examples where we moved some category to larger to its subcategory, and we have created these visuals, and we have also gone through this like lower and drilling of the data. Also we have understood about the map visualization and the salesperson uh, who has handled the return order. So by this way we have analyzed our data. Once that has been done, we have shared this data to our workspaces like in Power BI services tab where we analyzed our data easily by clicking any of the things and slicer and all. So these are the different things we have understand where our data was automatically updated based on the filter applied through each of the pages. So this thing we have understand. We also understand about how to bookmark particular page, how to jump from particular page to particular bookmark page. This thing we have understand. Also we have pin our particular visuals so that it will be reflected under our own created workspace visual. Likewise, we have imported few of the visuals from two different Power BI dashboards. So I hope this is clear. Also, we briefly touched upon how to share this thing, how to manage rights for particular person so that they can edit or view or customize it. So these are the things we have covered. So that is end of this tutorial, and here from the starting from the basic we have covered all the things which are required to be an expert in the Power BI. I hope you have understand it, and still if you have any of the doubt, I am here. Before that, I request you to please download all the resources where I have provided in all the subsequent lectures and download it, practice it by yourself. and still any of the query. Yes, again and again I am telling, because I know that this is difficult, but if you practice well, nothing is impossible. Okay, so with that, let me stop here, and see you soon. Thank you so much for this course. Thank you.